Hey guys, this is JL. We're getting ready now we got Horace over here. We're very thankful to have him there from Illinois. Again, he is there helping us do some trimming here today. We just finna trim, get some of the excess, some of the skin, some of the stuff that will not cook properly, and the stuff that's getting in the way of the main meat. We're gonna remove that, and so you're gonna see us do that. I'm gonna have Horace start it off with you right here, and you're gonna see some excess skins and stuff all on the side, near our ribs and all of that. Let's keep one thing in mind. This is all gonna be, so always know what you're prepping something for. While you're at this stage here, if you wanted to just start cutting that baby up and cut your ham out of there, cut your shoulder out of there, cut your pork loin out, cut your ribs out, you can do all of that too, and things that way there. Like you're gonna see me here in a little bit, man. I'm gonna cut, like, I ain't finna waste this. I'm gonna cut some of the way you're gonna see me do this here. Let me show you. I'm gonna come in here, man. Now look, I ain't had no pit beats in a while, and I'm gonna come here, and I look like the day I got 4 of them. Hello, and I'm gonna come right here, and I'm gonna cut this baby. Just like that. See, once you start cutting, you stay with it. If you're trying to break off, you just keep cutting. You see this? Hello. I'm cooking these today. My wife can get mad if she wants to. I'm gonna eat me some pig feet. Hello. There you go, Horace.
Just the excess, like he said, what you don't need there. Learning some of this stuff. This is my first time with a whole hog.
Okay, you're doing good. That extra skin right there, that was not gonna cut, not gonna do it really any good there. It was just kind of in the way of the rib. And we're just taking that part off. But we're not gonna do an over trim right there in front of it towards the front. We got different areas, you good right there too. We're gonna cut that whole area, just kind of even it off. There you go. Cut it there, kind of make it kind of even there. There's your fat you just had your hand on. Come up. There you go, cut that off as well. Okay. There you go. Wrap that, throw that in. There's one area here that we're gonna have to be careful with. It's nothing that we've done, but just the way it came. We don't want to protect your skin, that it don't get torn up no more. So we gotta be protected there. You see this right here, these little black blood vessels that is off in here like this. We're gonna, with the knife, we're gonna get stuff out like that, get that out of there. So it's kind of like if somebody was gonna have a sandwich or something, and then you have that sandwich, and the last thing you want is somebody to get a hold of like a blood vessel and that pop off in their mouth. And here, right on the top of this, you have some of the silver skin, and so you want to just go across and make sure you get all of your little silver skin out of there. And the silver skin is just where you get down to where you're just down to nothing but meat. See how it's better, that look right there? And that's looking good there. There's nothing there. And here, he just asked me if you were gonna get there, you know, like you can get there and you can pull the skin off, you know, take the silver skin off. But in my wool, there's no need for it for what we're gonna do, because we're gonna this whole hog is gonna be like sandwich. So we're not breaking it down into different parts. The whole thing is gonna be sandwich. So here Just a little extra trim in there.
So I have a question.
Watch out what you're going with your back end of your knife. There you go. Making sure your back end when cutting out the pump. Alright. Now I'm gonna cut her off. That's about where that one at over there where the ham hock is at. Yep.
Alright, thanks a lot, bro.
Look, I'm still here, Kevin. Even
Well,
well, oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, no, I get the comment. You're gonna be mad about this one too, ain't you, honey? But I'm gonna have it.